And welcome to revision 7. This is focusing on depreciation and the impact on the balance sheet. This is worth about 14 marks in the balance sheet question 2 in the exam, so well worth putting some effort into getting it sorted. What I've got over here is Big Jim's clothing, and we've got 3 different assets: property, plant and equipment, delivery vehicles, office equipment and shop fittings. The names are important. Delivery vehicles and shop fittings tell us it's a distribution cost with the depreciation, and office equipment tells us it's administrative costs. So the information underneath is the adjustments we have to do. Firstly, delivery vehicles are depreciated at $6,000 a year. So what we're going to do is just put our depreciation on delivery vehicles in there and type 6,000. When you type 6,000 on the left-hand side, debit side, you also have to put that on the credit side. So what am I going to do up here? Good. So we're going to change that from 6,000 to 12,000. Add 6,000 to both sides. You see that it balances down the bottom. The next one is a calculation. So a calculation changes it from a merit to an excellence mark. Office equipment is depreciated using a straight line at 20%. So here's your office equipment here of $10,000. So we're going to depreciate it by putting depreciation on office equipment, and we're going to multiply that 10,000 by 20%. Right, so we've added 2,000 to the left-hand side, so we'll add it to the right-hand side as well. So our accumulated depreciation goes from 2,000 to 4,000. So that means the value that our office equipment has gone down over its life has gone from 2,000 to 4,000 over that extra year. The next one is a calculation, again an excellence mark, and we're going to calculate what it is for the shop fittings. The shop fittings are purchased at 13,000. It's got a residual value of 1,000. So over its life, it's going to go down by 12,000 in total. 12,000 over 12 years is going to be 1,000 a year. So we'll add the 1,000 there. So that calculation is important for you to get. The cost minus the residual value shows you the amount it's going down, and then divide it by the years. So we're going to add 1,000 over here to the shop fittings. So that'll now be 5,000. Balance down the bottom. Nice and easy. We're just going to put our distribution costs. So we've got our delivery vehicle depreciation and our shop fitting depreciation, and bring our figures in. So these ones here are merit and excellence marks, and this one here, an excellence mark again because you had to calculate it because it's on the office. Right, this is where our major marks happen. So the really important thing is that you remember the headings here. So the first one is the cost. That's how much we purchased it for. Then the accumulated depreciation. And then the carrying amount. So if you can remember those, they're worth 1 mark each. VVV, the marker will go. All right, so for the vehicles, we've got the cost of the vehicles, delivery vehicles, 40,000. Nice easy marks, these ones. Office equipment, 10,000. And your shop fittings, 13,000. So that's just V marks. The accumulated depreciation. This first one, delivery vehicles, that's a merit mark because that got given to you. The office equipment you had to calculate, and the shop fittings you had to calculate as well. And we're going to subtract them. So what it costs us minus what we've depreciated over its life gives us a carrying amount. So even though we bought that for 40,000, the value is now 28,000 because it's getting older. And then we just need to auto sum these ones here as well. And it's the bottom figure that we're after. So the total value of our property, plant, and equipment, our carrying amount is 42,000, which will transfer over here. 42,000, great. Okay, so that part's with quite a few marks, and then you've got something written to do. This is the only writing required in this. And the easy part of that is we just copy straight out of the additional information. And that's another V mark. We write, again, straight out of the additional information. And obviously we need to write 20%. PA means per annum, means per year. Make sure you copy all of it. And the last part is the shop fittings, and we'll put that in as well. So as you can see from here, we've got in the balance sheet question 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 V marks, 7, 8, 9 V marks, 10 V marks already, an M mark, an E mark, an E mark. So that's 13 marks altogether, and then the 14th, that one there. So quite a lot of marks in this. Enjoy the Kahoot. Sorry about the long video, but really important you get that part right. Ka kite.